Automotive workshops are full of chemicals and fluids, engine oil, brake fluid, coolants, and cleaners. Handling them safely is crucial to protect yourself and the environment. Always wear proper personal protective equipment. Gloves, goggles, and aprons prevent skin contact and eye injuries. Never handle chemicals with bare hands. Use the right tools for transferring chemicals. Avoid spills and never mix different fluids. They can react dangerously. Label every container properly. Make sure all chemicals are stored in ventilated areas, away from heat and direct sunlight, and always keep lids tightly closed. In case of spills, clean them immediately with appropriate materials. Dispose of used rags and fluids according to local environmental regulations. After handling chemicals, always wash your hands thoroughly. Safety isn't just about avoiding accidents, it's about creating a healthy workplace. Safe handling of automotive chemicals keeps you, your team, and the environment protected. Stay safe, stay smart.